Swami Prasad Maurya is an Indian politician and a member of the 17th Legislative Assembly of Uttar Pradesh of India. He represents the Padrauna constituency of Uttar Pradesh and was a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which he joined after a long stint with Bahujan Samaj Party. Maurya has been a member of the Legislative Assembly for 5 terms, has been minister in the government of Uttar Pradesh, leader of the House and leader of opposition. He was serving as cabinet minister for labour, employment and co-ordination in Yogi Adityanath ministry. His daughter Sanghmitra Maurya was elected to Lok Sabha in 2019. Maurya was born on 2 January 1954 in Chakwad, Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh to Badlu Maurya. He is married to Shiva Maurya, with whom he has a son and a daughter. His daughter is a member of parliament, Lok Sabha from Bahujan. He attended the Allahabad University and attained Bachelor of Laws and Master of Arts degrees. Maurya has been at MLA for 5 terms. He represented the Padrauna constituency and was a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party political party. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.